Okay guys, so it's a few days later now, and we got our new tool in for the valve spring compressor, right? We got a new one in, and this one works much better, especially with our dual valve springs. As you can see, we have cylinder number 6 in. We're waiting on these ones. Right now we're taking number 8 out. It's gonna be a little bit tough, but I mean, we'll get it done. And then on the driver's side, we have just the first cylinder, right? But we have number 7 in the back still with the springs in, but this side should be relatively straightforward. It should probably take us about 30 minutes to complete this side. Maybe that side, the passenger side, might take us an hour or so just because of the last one. But yeah, we should be close to starting it relatively soon. This is the last thing to do besides installing the rockers and the push rods, and then the rest of the cooling system, and we'll be ready for the first start. All right guys, so our dual valve springs are in. They look pretty good. We had a few hiccups here and there, but we made it work. If anyone's wondering, if you lose one of the locking clips for the seals, and if you get some new ones, right, and they're a little bit taller, they'll work just fine. I mean, they stick out a little bit compared to my OEM ones, but they lock them right in place and everything looks fine. And here's the tool that we used.
Here's the tool that we use. If you're gonna do dual valve springs, might as well just use this one. We used 2 different ones. The first one didn't even work at all. The second one bent, so might as well just use this one. I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description to the tool.
But yeah, guys, so all that's left is pretty much putting everything back, the rockers and the push rods, the valve springs and coil packs, and we should be able to start it relatively soon, probably today. Okay guys, so the whole top end of the motor is pretty much in. Got this valve cover on, and then we got the driver's side valve cover on. All we're doing right now is putting the oil pan back into place, and we'll be pretty much ready to get the rest of the stuff in, and we could probably possibly start it as well. It probably won't be today though. It's already getting a little bit dark, so it might be tomorrow morning. But yeah, we're close. Okay guys, the car is up and running again. It's all back together. It looks pretty good with the red valve covers and the red timing cover. You just can't really see the timing cover, but the valve covers look really good. The car is up and running again. We just ran into a few things now that are kind of annoying. We think that the oil pan gasket is shot, and if some of you guys know, it's kind of a pain to do the oil pan gasket on these cars. And I was planning on getting the car tuned in a few days, right? But I'm gonna see what my tuner says and see if he wants to tune the car with the oil leak, or if he wants me to fix the pan gasket first. I did put some oil stop leak in the car. I had a leak on the car before, and after like a week of driving the car with the oil stop leak, it pretty much got rid of the oil leak. It would still leak every now and then, but it wasn't nearly as bad as it was. But yeah, if this works, then we'll be set to getting the car tuned. But if not, I'm gonna have to wait until to fix the oil pan gasket.